The Veeam Marketing Center is your all-in-one solution for co-marketing with Veeam. Gain unlimited access to ready-made, co-brandable sales and marketing resources, as well as automation tools. Whether your objective is to generate leads, increase customer loyalty, or achieve a quicker sales cycle, the Veeam Marketing Center is here to support you. Achieve faster go-to-market times through quick, ready-made co-branded campaigns, free resources such as ready-to-send email campaigns, co-branded videos for off-site events, social media posts that can be promoted effortlessly through your social accounts, and a variety of other assets at your fingertips with easy integrations and expert guidance. The Veeam Marketing Center is available to all partner levels from registered and up. Simply log in to the Pro Partner portal, select Marketing, then Marketing Center. Or just reach out to our Veeam Marketing Concierge and we'll help get you started today.